morning to one and all. I am Dr. Rameshwar Rathod, Department of English, LBS College, Satara. Today we are going to learn about unit number 3, The Old Man and the Sea. Written in Ernest Miller Hemingway is one of the major novelists in the history of American literature. He is generally considered to the spokesperson for the generation that faced the loss of the devotion in the world war in lifetime. Today, the Hemingway is very famous writer in the American literature. His work and major influence. The Hemingway is a first published work appeared into 1923 as the 3 stories and 10 poems. In 1924 come the collection of the short story In Our Times, which published in first from Paris and then 1925 from America with the same more stories and sketch. After this work is major among to the novel. Then first The Sun Also Rise 1926, Farewell to Arms 1929, Death After Afternoon 1932, To Have and Have Not 1937, and the fifth column 1938, For Who the Bell Tolls 1940, Across the River into the Trees 1950, and The Old Man and the Sea and 1992. The Old Man Sea. This novel, this novel is not. This is not novel. That is novella. The Old Man is Sea is based a simplest theme of possible, which was again to actual incident that Hemingway had the heart. It is Hemingway is a masterpiece novella, largely responsible. The Nobel Prize was awarded to him 1954. This novel is written in 1951 and is published in 1944. This novel is setting in Cuba, and this sea that is placed in Havana. The story takes place in the late 1940. A small fishing village near Cuba is another place where the story takes place would be on protagonist Santiago boat waters on the Gulf of Mexico. This is Mexico and place of the Cuba and Gulf Mexico. This story is around the Cuba, Havana and Mexico setting in this story, and the most important in this story is the protagonist Mr. Santiago. It is a simple story of old man is a Cuban fisherman and his courage, dignity and heroism. Santiago is the old man is a professional fisherman and he fishes alone and along with the Gulf Stream. He is not only be able to catch any fish for 84 days. On 85th day, he goes for out in fights in hung, marlin and single-handed for the 3 days and 2 nights. He struggle and admirable more for the stoic determination and he display in his subsequent battle against the sharks who attacked to ultimately destroy his hard own prize. His fight against the shark illustrates his strong commitment to his profession. He keeps and struggling defend his prize and dipped inevitable until the weaponless nothing is left with Marlin except is a long white skeleton. Marlin has been destroyed. The old man is not defected. He turns home to the skeleton and eventually makes the plans for the future. The theme, therefore, his man alone and down, out of lucky, my persist and fight and depending upon the manner in which fights and point of the being defected. He many emerging morally and victorious those uh, for all these words and he may be the physical and battle. The actually Santiago is old fisherman is main character in the story and going to the 84 days without catch in the fish. And he discovered in the novella Hemingway called the Santiago is old man, and it has been very symbolic meaning in show that been the has lost his youth. The old man is eyes in blue color represented the color of the sea. That is color of the sea. That is color of the sea. And the old man age is skin the symbolizing human fate. Human fate is rise to the level of the suffering by the cosmic process. This is cosmic process. And Santiago shirt is also symbolic. It is patched and patched is soil looks like the flaw and paraments and defect. Though Santiago is a main character in the novel, in the story, and Santiago is the story is 84 days flashes day. Uh, the Santiago is an old man who fished alone in skip of the Gulf Stream. He had not been able to catch any fish for 84 days. A young boy named Manolin had complemented to first 40 days, but his inability to catch any fish. The boy's parent had considered him in Salio the worst from unlucky. He had taken the to to boy away to the another skip where they caught the many fish within the first week. The boy loved Santiago, therefore did not desert to him. Rather, he took care the old man in needs. He helped to carry either to coiled and lines and gulf and harpoon sail for around the most of his fleet. Remember the flag and parament defect was the patches that is a floor cakes. So this Monolin is the friend of the Santiago. The old man lived the boy his own son, and the boy lived too. Santiago was the old man, and deep the brinkles scare, and he was still the confident his skill, and he had lost his hope and catching his fish. He had in the course life and gained truly humanity. He had been lost to pride and fell into the regarding himself the strange of the old man. This image is very important to Santiago and Monolin. He confident to many tricks and he about the fishing and therefore he had never lost hope and believed that he was strong enough to catch in the biggest fish even though he was old. He and the boy is Malolin discuss many things. Boy brings come from the food and for the old man and they talk about the baseball games. The old man is lived. The old man is lived uh, and the baseball player DiMaggio and the sportsman who is admired. DiMaggio was the great because played well is he had the in his the hill, and Santiago is hopeful that the next day, an 85th day, would be prove the lucky and the big fish going to a sleep. In his sleep, the dreams, loin and playing the beaches in Africa, he has been he has the was a young man. And 85th day, old man is woke up in early morning, and Moloney helped to him, the crying to his fishing. They had coffee and together at early morning in the place. Uh, he he served the fisherman. Moloney wished him to the good luck, and he rowed away from the shore. The old man, he was going to far out, and he uh, going to out, he fed in the morning, coming to all other boats and spread away in the individual and pursued to fish. Santiago heard the sound and flying the fish. He was found in the them. They were the principal friends and sympathetic feels in birds because they hard life. He thought the sea is beautiful. He thought the sea is beautiful, and who kinds him the cruel, always the ocean, and is a feminine, where is a younger man referred to the ocean, and that is a masculine. But Santiago was sea was a beautiful sea, and after rowing and out a droplet he